Om Swastiastu. Good morning, sir and friend. On this occasion, I will present LKM 6 on photosynthesis. First, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Martawali Tambunan with SIN 24130310026. Explain the definition of photosynthesis and its main purpose for plants. Photosynthesis is a biochemical process in which green plants convert light energy into chemical energy in the form of glucose. This process uses carbon dioxide (CO2) and water H2O with the help of chlorophyll. The main purpose of photosynthesis is to produce glucose as an energy source and metabolic building material, as well as oxygen O2 as a byproduct. Explain the mechanism of the light reaction, including location, the role of photosynthesis 1 and 2, and the products formed. Light reaction occurs in the thylakoid membrane of chloroplast. The mechanism involves the photosynthesis. A neuron photosystem to PSA absorbs light energy and splits water photolysis, producing electrons, proton, positif and oksigen O2. Yang kedua, photosystem 1, PSA. Excites electrons using light energy and reduce NADP positive to NADPH. During electron transport, a proton gradient is formed and used to produce ATP through photophosphorylation. Products of light reaction, ATP and ADPH and O2. Why does high light intensity increase ATP and ADPA? Increase ATP and ADPH production. High light intensity increases the amount of energy absorbed by the photosystems. This enhances electron excitation and accelerates the electron transport chains. As a result, more protons are pumped across the membrane, strengthening the proton gradient and increasing the production of ATP and NADPH. Explain the main stages of the Calvin cycle. The Calvin cycle occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast and consists of three main states. Yang pertama itu carbon fixation, yaitu CO2 is fixed by the enzyme RUBI, RUBISCO and combined with RUBP to form 3-PKA. Production 3-PKA is reduced to G3P using ATP and NADPH. Regeneration. Some G3P is used to generate RUBP so the cycle can continue. The G3P produces use the form glucose. Why does an increase in ATP and NADPH not always lead to increased glucose production? Glucose production depends not only on ATP and NADPH also on CO2 availability and enzyme activity in the Calvin cycle. If CO2 is limited, restore ATP is low or environmental conditions are unfavorable, the Calvin cycle becomes the limiting factor. Therefore, even with high ATP and NADPH, the core pollution remains low. Next, analyze the relationship between light radiation and dark radiation in photosynthesis. Light radiation produces ATP and ADPH, which are required for the Calvin cycle. Dark radiation. The Calvin cycle uses the slow pulse to reduce CO2 and produce glucose. But processes are interdependent. Without light radiation, the carbon cycle lacks energy, and without the carbon cycle, ATP and ADPH cannot be effectively utilized. Next, explain factors that can limit the rate of photosynthesis besides light. Limiting factors includes utama CO2 concentration, temperature, ketika water availability, impacts enzyme activity, especially UBISKO, misalnya chlorophyll content and stomata emission. If any of these factors are not optimal, the rate of photosynthesis decreases. Explain the function of UBISKO in photosynthesis. LUBISCO is the key enzyme in the carbon cycle that catalyzes the fixation of CO2 with LUBISCO. It determines the rate of carbon assimilation and glucose production. Its efficiency strongly influences photosynthesis and can be reduced under certain conditions, such as high oxygen levels leading to photorespiration. Next is if CO2 availability is low, what is the impact on the radiation and glucose production? The low CO2 levels inhibit carbon fixation in the Calvin cycle. This reduces the formation of G3P and ultimately decreases glucose production. Additionally, ATP and ADP from reduction cannot be used effectively. Next, explain the relationship between photosynthesis products, glucose, and cellular respiration in plants. Glucose produced during photosynthesis is used in cellular respiration as energy source. In respiration, glucose is broken down through physiolysis in Krebs cycle, and the electron transfer and can to produce ATP. Thus, photosynthesis provides the fuel while explosion convert in production general activity. Thank you. I hope that has been able to analyze understanding. Apologize for unnecessary comment. This all and thank you. From Santi Om Santi 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 Om.